Right, so I just said to Jane we better go and check on the wood because we've had quite a few gales. We've had one tree go down which was dead, and which has saved us a lot of hassle sawing it down because it's already down, of course. So we've got another one which is quite dangerous near the cabin and near the chickens, so we've come to have a look. Now we've not been up there yet. I think Jane's up there now, but I'm looking and that one's okay, that's live. And there was one before that, where are we? So that one there, one before that was just here, and there was another one just there. And Jane's got a couple of cockerels here in some pens, and the one went down and missed it by about 5 foot. Now I can't see the other one, which is even larger, it's even bigger, so I'm guessing it's gone. So we're gonna have a quick look. And she ran up here to see if the chickens were all right, so I presume that they're all right. But yeah, oh my god. And this is what's happened. This is number 2 down now, which is fine, don't get me wrong, we've got a lot of clearing up to do and it's free wood, so I'll show you. So we're getting this ready for a bit of a Christmas party in the woods, and that's what I was dreading, that it was going to take that out, but the wind is blowing southwesterly, something like that. Anyway, I'm no good at managing stuff. The background is very stodgy. So there she is, down. It's going to save a lot of work, because I'm glad it's gone, because I was going to do some camping here under this one, and not in that, it's just a marquee, but I was going to do some camping here on this little bit of ground we cleared. Now it's safe to do so. Look at this, just noticed that thing is just a little lantern that shows the path, and that's still going. So this is a big beast, look. I'm sitting on this. This is a big tree. So this will all be cut up for firewood, and I'll show you the other one as well. And I'll show you how far it's away from the chickens as well. Okay, so that, ooh, look at all that. And actually, the beauty of it is we've got some oak trees and more pine, and it looks like it's not hit anything. Well, look at it, no. Look at that, there's one little tiny tree there. That's safe. That's an old Christmas tree. And here's the other one which we started cutting up. And that's how far the pens are away. 5 foot. 4 foot, 5 foot. So it's missed them. So we've started harvesting this already. And that's what we're doing. And this is the mess this one made. So this came down. And I started trimming it back. So still got a lot of work to do. This didn't take out much except for this, which is self-seeded. What is this, Jane? Elm. No, this one. That's a chicken. Cockerel. What's this stuff? Chestnut. Chestnut. So this is self what? Coppers in. Self. Huh? Yeah, self copper. So they've cut it all down before we bought the wood. There was nothing here. And so they've cut all this back, and this is what's grown. And it's beautiful, beautiful, look at this. So we've got a lot to clear it up, but I'm over the moon that this has come down and not hurt anybody, or, well, not expected to, but a lot of timber. Look at this. So, anyway, there you go. That's a bit of an update in the woodland. Whew. Very lucky, but also chuffed. I'm glad, because one, we can actually now start processing the wood, and I would like to build a bit of a lean-to using some of this wood, which would be nice. Look at this. My hands, this is a big piece of wood. Alright, that's it. We're going to have a bit of a soup, and hopefully my hands underneath that lot. Hope that doesn't go down. We are in trouble.